Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. This is our litter of chocolate Labrador retrievers. They are 5 weeks old right now. I have 2 males still available out of this litter. They are really on the move right now, love to play outside. They are on solid food. See if I can get some of them here individually. See what we got playing tug of war. I got Cindy Bear and Teddy. The 2 red collar ones right there. Cindy, I know, is spoken for. And then yellow collar female right here, Baby Bear. Her name is now going to be Willow. She is spoken for. Oh, let's see who else we got. We got Pookie Bear there, pink collar. Who are you? You're Kodiak, one of the boys. And we got Pookie Bear right here. We got Winnie right there in the orange collar. And Paddington in the blue collar right there. Guys playing tug of war there? Huh? Why do I have to keep nipping at my toes? Got Kodiak. And Corduroy over here. Huh, bud? Hey, buddy. Pookie, Paddington, got some action going on over here. What we got? We got Cindy Bear and Teddy Bear and Winnie the Pooh. Oh, there's Snuggles, the black collar on, and Pookie's got the pink. So like I said, this is Rozey K9 Farm. You can contact us at our website. That's Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEY K9 Farm.com. You can also give us a call at 616-892-1993. We'd love to talk to you about this litter and the boys that we have available. I just don't know exactly which 2 yet. I have buyers with deposits down, and I haven't had all of them get a chance to do their picking of exactly which puppy they want. I hope to have that finalized by the end of this coming week, so then I'll know exactly which ones are available. Let's see, who is by me? Corduroy. Gotta quit nipping me. And where do we got Kodiak? Hanging out over here, huh, buds? Hey, Winnie, you got a toy there? You Teddy? Or you, you're the girl, you're Cindy Bear. That one's Teddy. Oh, you guys are loving your toys. And being able to come outside and play, huh? So this is a litter of chocolate Labrador puppies. They'll be ready to go the end of July. They are from Rocky and Remy, who we own. This will probably be their last litter together. What we got going on, huh, guys? Hey, sweetie. Kodiak. Huh? Kodiak. Yeah. You Teddy? You 2 are so close, Teddy and Cindy. It's hard for me to... Are you the girl? I think so. I think you're Cindy Bear. And Pookie. Now you guys are all coming by me, huh? There's Winnie. That one's Paddington over there. Enjoying your bone there, huh? Hey, Bridget, can you go get the 2 wandering over there and bring them back? Alright, guys, go play so I can get you. If you get so close, I can't get your picture. Who did we have? We had Willow over there. Hey, sweetie. And I think she brought back Corduroy, green collar there. Hey, Willow. Winnie. Go and get a belly rub. Go and get a belly rub, yes. Your sister Willow there. Well, once again, we are Rozey K9 Farm. Like I said, we have 2 males still available. They'll be ready to go the end of July. You can give us a call at 616-892-1993. Are you going to sit? Look here. Oh, you are looking so cute. Well, thanks for visiting.